It's not actually that intense.
So day in the life of Johnny Montana as the project manager, what I'm going to be doing is reviewing upcoming projects. I reach out to customers, I start to gather the information. We use documents like our SOP3, trial plans, FPA protocols, and what we do is we use that to gather all the necessary information that's needed in order to make a job successful. So I'll work with the customer to build that portfolio of what the job entails in order to bring it to production, work with our quality department, our maintenance department, our production department, and just gather all that information, compile it into one place, and help make a job successful from the start. So one of the things that we've become very proficient at is seasoning here at Econo-Pak. So when we get in a new seasoning job, I'll work with our team to develop exactly what the customer is looking for from a flavor profile and from a percentage of ingredients. We'll go out, we'll make a sample benchtop batch. We'll look at it, we'll examine if it's visually representative of what the customer is looking for, and do sensory evaluation to taste test and make sure that our application is matching their profile. My favorite thing about being project manager is all things new. Every day is a new thing, a new project, new details, new information, new boxes, cartons, films, products themselves. So what I really enjoy is every day seeing something new.